Okay guys, so for this time we're going to try to update our Mooer GE150 to version 1.2. So I already downloaded its firmware update from their official website. I will put it in the description, and here it is. Okay, so for this time guys, you're going to download this file from their website, GE150 version 1.2.zip. So that is a zip file containing the file itself, or the XA file that you need. So we're just going to, after downloading it, you're just going to extract it, so in any way you like. So I use this. Okay, so I already extracted it earlier, so I just going to do it again. So yes to all. Okay, so the file should be here. So here it is, GE150 file zip. So it contains the exe file, so I'm going to install it, but I actually going to install it again here. Okay, so just click next to it, then creating the desktop icon there, and then it's just fast. And also this file is also on 17 MB or megabytes, so this would be just a small firmware update, and also an editor for the Mooer GE150, so no problem. Okay, so after installing it, so we should place the device or our unit into the updating. Okay, so for putting our GE150 device into updating mode, we simply have to push its two buttons and press and hold it for while you're going to plug it on the charger. Okay, so it's now already in updating mode. As you can see there, the screen should place it into the updating mode. So after that, we already installed the file or the exe file in our laptop or computer, and now we're just going to put our USB-B type on our device, and then on the other side, its USB-A should be placed or connected to our computer. So it's already done, connected na. Okay, so we're now going to open the GE150 app on our laptop. So we simply allow it, and then it will place this screen. So it needs an update, so it says ready to update. You just click start, and there you have it. Just wait for it after it will be updated. So now our Mooer GE150 is now on version 1.2. It's very easy, very convenient. You can do it alone. Okay, so guys, it already stated that the update is successful. We just click done, and here we go. We have the updated app. Okay, so it's already working. So we can now use it to record sounds using our digital audio workplace or DAW. And also we can also edit it on our PC using the GE150 editor app, which is this also. Just click it again here. And then we're now going to access the GE150 editing software.
Thank you guys for your support. Please drop a like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.